The Wild Womb series was born from nature. It is about our passage to Earth. How do we get here? Are we in a rocket? Are we in a plasma ball? Is the water of the universe carrying us to our mother's belly? Nature is the call we all respond to. The trees, the plants, everything that we are connected to is calling us. When we come to Earth, we arrive outside of our mother's belly and we descend when it's time into the belly. What is that process? It's plasma, it's water. It is all of the energy of the cosmos that carries us to our destination. When we look at nature and we look at the rocks and the trees, the ravens, the birds, the bears, the wolves, all of nature, it fills us with awe and wondering, because we know that the reason we came here to Earth was a very specific reason. This is not by chance. We're here because we all have purpose with this planet. She has always been connected to us. She, in her own right, is a goddess. She inhabits this big body that's blue and mostly water. And we are here to connect with her. That is the most important thing we can do in our lives, is connect with her. Water is throughout the universe. It is what our bodies are made up of primarily, and it's what keeps that wild womb transporting us through time and space. At this particular place on the Isle of Lewis, there is a spring that comes right up out of the rocks, and the ocean covers it at high tide. The water is never tainted from the seawater, and it's some of the most pure water on the planet. This place reminds me of that importance of where we come from, that we come from Source and we are transported back to Earth. And it is the water that connects us all. It's the water that flows through us and connects everyone out in the universe. No matter where you're from, no matter how far you've traveled, it is about the water. May we all protect the water on this beautiful planet and take care